A C8 Corvette. Yeah, we're excited, I tell you. So this car's from a very special customer of ours. He's brought it down for us to give it a bit of a touch up. What are you going to do with the Corvette? We're going to supercharge it. We're going to supercharge this Corvette with a ProCharger. Probably the first one in Australia. Stick around.
The first port of call is our rolling road dyno so that we can get a representative power figure. The Corvette made an impressive 495 horsepower at the flywheel in standard trim. We treat our customers' cars with the utmost respect, so with protective film applied to the car, it's onto the hoist to start the dismantling process. First to come out is the air intake system. Being that the Corvette is a sleek, sporty supercar, it surprisingly has a lot of room to work with, and the kit can be fitted without having to remove the engine. We next remove the intake manifold, as this kit comes complete with its own billet aluminium intake. With the manifold removed, we can see the massive intake ports on the LT2 heads. As we need to send the ECU to the States to get unlocked and a tune loaded, we are filling in the time by removing the exhaust and fitting the new Borla exhaust system. The Borla S-Type exhaust is not only lighter and more free-flowing, but it gives the Vette an incredible note. The aggressive and modern-looking carbon tips look fantastic and will combine seamlessly with the design of the car itself. Fitment of the exhaust system is a cinch, as there has been a lot of attention to detail taken with fit and finish of this product. The Stage 2 ProCharger Supercharger kit for the Corvette runs a safe 7.5 psi of boost that can deliver up to a quoted 45% increase of power. The bolt-on kit comes complete with robust CNC billet brackets with nothing needed to be custom made. The jack shaft comes pre-fitted with pulleys and bearings, making for a time-saving installation. With the brackets fitted, the jack shaft is now put into position so that we can do a test fit of the intake manifold. The Gilmer style pulley on the end of the jack shaft will induce that old school blower style noise that we all love. The billet intake manifold houses a massive air-to-water intercooler system that produces incredibly cool intake temps. This will be removed for the time being, as it is going away for a custom paint job that will match the car.
While you're here, please take a second to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get all the latest updates from the Horsepower Factory. If you'd like to know more about our packages, go to our website hp-f.com.au. Now it's back to the video.
After a bit of assembly, it's time to fit the heart of this upgrade, the supercharger itself. As you can see, the massive supercharger fits like it's supposed to be there on the Corvette. The imposing pump will produce a linear and controllable boost of power that is far more thrilling than the standard naturally aspirated engine can deliver. The intercooler heat exchanger fits neatly into the intake vent on the side of the vehicle and utilises the factory fan and has its own independent reservoir and pump. This was the trickiest part of the whole installation, but once fitted it would be a hard thing to distinguish this as an aftermarket product, as it fits neatly into the areas snugly and utilises the massive side body vent to its best potential, rather than just being a design feature. With the intake manifold back from the paint shop and the ECU back from the States loaded with a tune file, it's time to put the car back on the dyno and see just what sort of power we can achieve. A massive increase of almost 40% on a conservative tune that we will be looking to maximise once custom tuning is available in Australia, but for now it's time to put the car back together and get it back to the customer. The Borla exhaust looks killer, and the sound of that combined with the supercharger whine, well, you be the judge.
As you've seen from the video, this has come up a treat. 500 horsepower standard, now it's up near 700 horsepower. The centrifugal supercharger just brings the boost on gradually, but still enough to give it a massive punch in the pants. Very, very drivable. It's not going to try and kill you on the road or tap on your shoulder, I'm coming. And just the boost will rise and the car just keeps accelerating in the sunset. We've also added a Borla exhaust, and in combination of the belt drive coming from that ProCharger, man, you've got the noise from inside the car, you can hear it on the outside. The belt's not too noisy on the inside, which is great, but that exhaust just tops it off. This is a hot rodded supercar. Everything about this car you put up in the hoist and it literally looks like a Ferrari or Lambo underneath there. I want it. I want it now. I'm going to steal it from the customer. It's done. I'm out of here.
For more information on all our upgrades, give us a call on 1-800-GO-FAST or visit our website at hp-f.com.au.